Okay, I'm paused on my DoorDash shift and I'm about to try these potatoes. They're like diced potatoes with cheese sauce on them and maybe sour cream from Taco Bell. Never tried them. One of my customers had purchased them some time ago and I was like, oh, I'm gonna have to try them one day. So here they are. Looks like, I'm gonna guess sour cream and cheese sauce on them. So let's see what they're talking about.
Okay, let's see. Again, let me show them to you. Just gonna eat a little bit of them in there. Oh yeah.
Oh my goodness. It's like nacho cheese sauce on them with sour cream. Taco Bell, you've been holding it on me. Oh yeah. Jesus. Y'all, Taco Bell has seriously been holding out. Why ain't y'all tell me these little diced potatoes with sour cream and nacho sauce were good? Oh my goodness. Okay, I'll put y'all right there. Wish y'all could eat some to the phone, but you know. Dog, I'm gonna have to let Dill taste these. That's all right now. Yep. I usually don't eat nacho cheese sauce with like potatoes, but honey, I'm gonna start doing it now. Wow. Let Dill taste them. He might not want to taste them when he sees it has sour cream.
When I get home, if he doesn't want to, I'm gonna eat the rest of them. That's good right now. Y'all, that's good. Let me put them up.
All right, y'all, I'm about to log back on for my last hour of dashing. There you go. You heard it from me. 3 Shades of K, Krista. Wallace location, Taco Bell. Those diced potatoes with nacho sauce, nacho cheese sauce, and sour cream. Hitting, y'all. 100% hitting. 100%. 10 out of 10. I'm out of here, y'all. See you on the next one.